Hey guys, Abby here. How are you all doing? Welcome back. Today we are bringing you an email from a subscriber who had a really great question for me. We've talked about so many things about smoking and smoking fetish, um, but this one question I have not touched upon, so I thought I would answer it here. Um, of course, I had to do some researching um, because I know what I do personally, but um, I'm sure my way is not the only way. So here is what his email reads. His email says, Abby, my wife slash key holder accommodates my smoking fetish. She smokes only 1 or 2 cigarettes a week, usually during my weekly cleaning. She says that her pack of VS 120 non menthols goes stale. Is there anything I can do to make sure her smokes do not go stale? I have put them in a plastic zip bag to seal them up. I've even tried the fridge. Have you ever opened a pack, come back to them a while later and had them go stale? To be clear, it's not the cost. I just want her smoking experience to be very pleasurable. What do you suggest? I really enjoy watching her smoke, and thank you for your cigar video. Well, there are multiple ways of keeping cigarettes fresh that I found. Lots of suggestions. One would be to keep them in their sealed package, especially if you buy them in bulk, like by the carton or whatever. That would be the best method for keeping them in good condition. Putting the cigarettes in a bag in the fridge for short-term storage. If you want to, you can also put them in a freezer for up to 6 months. But beware, there's a possibility that the freezer may dry them out. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I would keep them in there for 6 months. Buy a holder. Get a holder that can keep them from getting wet or crushed as you're carrying them around. Store them in a dark room with a dehumidifier to keep them at optimal quality for a long time. Monitor temperature and humidity levels. So that almost sounds like a humidor that you would use for cigars. Yeah. So keep for 6 months. Try to keep them for less than 6 months when opened, as keeping them longer than that will result in stale, moldy cigarettes that taste bad and could be more harmful to your health than fresh ones. So, those are just some of the tips and tricks that I've found on several different online chat forums. People recommending them putting in the plastic bag and squeezing the air out. Putting them in a jar with an airtight lid. I think our friend did that. One of our, yeah, Deep Drag. I think he did that once. I think I remember one of his videos where he was opening a mason jar that had cigarettes in it. But I don't know how well that works. Deep Drag, let me know in the comments. I haven't really tried any of these particular ways myself, usually because mine don't last that long. The only thing I do is when I'm putting, when I buy a carton, I keep them in the pack that they're in the carton, sealed, until I open that individual pack. I don't keep multiple packs open at the same time. So, you know, I haven't really tried any of these ways, these suggestions. If any of you out there have tried it and been successful, or have another way to store them without keeping them or letting them go stale, put it in the comments. Like to know if it worked, even if it didn't work. Put it in the comments as well, because yeah, nobody wants to waste their time trying something that's not going to work. What method did you use? I love getting all the feedback from you guys, so please don't be shy. And that is all I have for you today. This one's kind of short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notifications when a new video has been posted. And all of you out there, don't forget to comment and share, as it just helps our community grow. And until next time, everybody, love hugs and smoky kisses. We'll see you soon. Bye.